What is your name?
Tablik Velji.
Your introduction?
Yeah, I am a businessman from Panjim, and we live in Donapal. Now,
What business mean? What is your
I deal in garments and jewelry and carpets.
your shop is there?
Yeah, I have 2 outlets in Panjim. But my main business I started was in Muscat, you see. Now, before I went to Muscat, doctor, you know, that is 30 years back, I had met with an accident on my motorbike. I had gone and banged my nose against a wall trying to save a child, you know. So that time Dr. Makhani had treated me. Now, unfortunately, he is not alive. But after about 21 days of traction and everything, you know, he let me go home. But he had warned me, he says, Tablik, see, for the next, till you're 50, 51 and all, nothing will happen. But after that, the problems will start, you know. But unfortunately, because of my hard labor in Muscat, I had to carry bags and suitcases and all and go for my appointments. I think that might have got worse, and it came a little earlier, you know. So I
How many years was?
this is about 25 years back, yeah. So one Chinese concern had opened out in Muscat, and I had gone there for acupuncture, you know, because somebody told me, you know, why don't you try it? Because that means I already had a problem about 25 years back. It's not that that is. So I went for them. They promised me that, you know, I would be better in 2 weeks, you know, and there the treatment also was frightfully expensive. And those days I could not afford it, you know. So after 2 weeks trial, and I did not have much improvement, I had given up on that, you know. Then after we came here, again, suddenly, I'm a regular walker in Siddhartha Goa. I've been a member of Siddhartha Goa for the last, maybe, again, 30 years, you know. Every year we used to play tennis and everything there. Now, suddenly this pain would come, and you will be knowing that this is the cervical
Slip disc problem.
Yeah, slip disc, yeah. There's one point which bothers me all the time, you see. So somebody said, why don't you check out with the physiotherapist? So I went to Dr. Sachin at Manipal Hospital, and he would take 10, 15 sittings and bring down the pain, no doubt about it. But I could walk then. I could walk, and then the pain would have gone, means completely gone. After 1 year, it again came. So I went again to Dr. Sachin. I said, see what this come back again, you know. So he said, okay, the same thing we'll have to do. So again the pain went. Means, I would say 95% maybe, because I would not feel at all. I could sleep this side, I could sleep that side. So there's no pain, I'm okay. The third time when the pain came, fortunately I had gone to Dr. Oscar, who's our family doctor. And I said, doctor, I've heard of Dr. Prabhu, you know, back is giving me trouble again. So he said, Tablik, that is a wonderful thing. I said, why don't you try Dr. Prabhu? Because I know him and everything, he told me, you know. So, Lokdas, I came, my wife had already read about you. I think she has already met you also regarding my daughter's finger, you know. One, maybe if you don't remember it. But anyway, she told me that, you know, your location, and I came immediately to you. That time, let me tell you, the pain when I came was, say, 90%. The percent maybe I was alright because it was not throbbing. The pain was there, and my left hand was there. Yeah, so just have to keep here. This is my say, nagging pain, not throbbing. When I came to you, doctor, of course you check with me and all, but I give the answer better and all. But this better had been good as far as 80% is concerned. That means if I had 90% pain, yeah, you brought me down to 20% pain. So if you ask me today, doctor, I am most grateful to you because you have brought me even to 20% pain only, from 90%. this month it's been fantastic. We are like family here.
Yeah.
I mean,
How you feel about our atmosphere in our
excellent, and your girls are fantastic.
Yeah.
Believe me, whoever now have survived, whatever, but they are really wonderful.
Yeah.
Starting with Josna and Ramesh.
Because we give always our
Brenda,
nurses a special training, everyday
I know.
lectures, how
Yeah.
to keep our patient
Yeah.
happy and healthy.
And you can make out from their
Yeah.
face. They themselves are happy.
Yeah.
See, once they are happy, they tend to work in a
Yeah.
better way. We have no complaints. Absolutely, they take very good care of us.
Okay.